Hello? Jack speaking.
Hello, Jack. This is Wilson.
Good morning, sir. How can I help you today?
Well, Jack, I recently bought a property at a very cheap price. But as you know, cheap prices usually come with a reason.
That's usually true, sir.
The place is a complete mess. The house itself is in terrible condition. The rooms are full of garbage. The backyard has a large swimming pool, but it's filled with dark green water. The smell is terrible. Honestly, it feels like that water has been sitting there untouched for 100 years. It looks like nobody has cared for it in years. I need someone who can bring it back to life.
Sounds like my kind of job.
I thought you'd say that. I've already sent you the address on WhatsApp.
Perfect. I'll head there right away and take a look.
Great. I'll be waiting for some good news.
Don't worry, sir. Consider it done.
Good luck, Jack.
Thank you, sir. I'm on my way.
We're heading to the location Jack told us about. Looks like we're gonna have a lot of fun today.
Ready? Lift. Got it. Watch the back corner. Clear the path to the door.
6 chairs set, lamp assembled.
Okay, let's get the packaging out and we're done here.